Last week on Friday, the price of Bitcoin has dumped heavily towards the downside, and not only on Friday but on the last weekend also, Saturday and Sunday, the price of Bitcoin as well as every other crypto is straight to the point dumping towards the downside. But if you have seen my latest community post, you already know that soon a pump will come in the price of Bitcoin and crypto. Why I am saying that, I will be discussing each and everything in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and over here, as you can see, on Friday we have seen a little bit dump towards the downside, but the price got recovered quickly. But the main dump came on Saturday and Sunday. As you can see, huge dump in the price of Bitcoin on Saturday, and on Sunday also we have seen a dump, and yesterday, that is Monday, we have seen a pump. Exactly, this is the pump that I was talking about, and to be quite honest, soon a little bit more pump is yet to come for BTC. Why I am saying this is, well, first of all, whenever a huge dump or pump comes on Saturday and Sunday on weekend, there are very high chances that when the weekdays start, when the new, I would say, session starts for crypto, soon the market goes in the opposite direction to fill the gap. If you look here closely, this is what I'm talking about. As you can see, on Friday we have seen the price of Bitcoin closing at approximately $84,000 level, and on Saturday and Sunday, as I've already told you, that we have seen a huge dump. But on Mondays, as you can see, the Monday's candle opened at approximately, I would say, $77,000. So there is a gap in here, as you can see, and the price of Bitcoin opened gap down. So there are very high chances we can see a small pump in the price of Bitcoin going all the way up till $81,000 level. And this is, by the way, CME futures chart. So this market closes on weekends and only runs on the weekdays. So now you know why I am saying that we can see a small pump towards the upside. And also the main reason behind a small pump is one more, and that is, whenever these type of dumps come in the price of Bitcoin, you can see huge incessant pump or dump whenever it comes in any asset. Then after that we see some sort of consolidation, some sort of retracement towards the upside or downside in the opposite direction of the main move. Because see, obviously, as you can see, there is a huge dump in the price of Bitcoin. So the bears right now are exhausted, and the market right now is oversold. So there are very high chances we can see buyers entering right now. And that is why I'm saying that we can see a small pump towards the upside for some time. But to be quite honest, after that I'm still expecting a dump in the price of Bitcoin. If I zoom out, you can see, if you are watching my previous videos, you already know, first I gave a target of this level over here, approximately this level, at approximately $84,000, and you can see on last Thursday one huge red candle completed that target. The next, I told you all that the next minor support for Bitcoin can be approximately over here at $80,000, and which you can see again, huge bearish red candle completed that target. Now the next target, the main important level for Bitcoin, is this white support zone. I hope you can see this over here. This is a very, very crucial level for Bitcoin, from $71,000 to $73,000, and no matter if the price of Bitcoin goes sideways for now, for the next upcoming few days, or it can pump a little bit, but I'm pretty sure that in the next few weeks the price of Bitcoin will eventually come at this level. Minimum it will come for sure at $73,000 level, and to be quite honest, it can dump all the way down till 71 also, but for now I am expecting $73,000 that the price of Bitcoin can dump. And before it comes to 73, that's why I am saying that there are very high chances the price of Bitcoin can go sideways, consolidate a bit, or it can pump a little bit towards the upside. And if that happens, then you already know every other crypto will follow that also. You can see over here, I'm on the Ethereum's daily time frame chart. Price of Ethereum also dumped heavily towards the downside, as you can see. And not only this, but when I made my last video on Ethereum, you already know I discussed about my short position on Ethereum, and well, it turned out to be a very, very great short position. because I went short over here. You can watch my previous crypto videos where I did my analysis and entered in a short position at $3,284 level. And you already know my first take profit was this level over here at $2,900. My second take profit, or you can say my main take profit, was over here at $2,700. And obviously my approximately third take profit was somewhat over here at $2,600. So this take profit has also been met. And again my next take profit was somewhat over here. Basically I'm just moving levels to levels. You can see this is a crucial level. I have not changed this level at all. They all remain the same, from $2,500 approx to $2,700. And obviously if this target is met, then my next target will be somewhat over here, this level only. Well, again the price has successfully met this level also. And you already know, if the price of Ethereum has dumped all the way down till here $2,500, the next take profit will be my next level. And this is the most crucial level of Ethereum over here, as you can see, from $2,100 to $2,170 approximately, from 2117 to 2174 approx. And this is a very important support level for Ethereum. And you can see the price exactly came at this level and then got reversed way back up. So well, my next take profit was somewhat over here only, exactly over here. To be quite honest, it was slightly above it, because I already knew that first of all the price of Ethereum is already oversold. Shares right now are over exhausted, and soon we can see some bulls entering in the market. So that's why I placed my stop loss slightly above this level, so that at least my target profit can get triggered. And that is why I placed my take profit at $2,183 approximately. Because see, as you can see, the wick came all the way down till here 2150, but it got reversed way back up instantly. Sometimes the order does not get filled, and that's why I did not wanted my trade to just keep on hanging over there, and I would have missed a lot of my profits. So that's why I placed my take profit slightly above my important support level. And as you can see, I'm still trailing my stop loss. So my stop loss right now is way below my entry price, as you already know. So I'm trailing my stop loss for now, and even if this trade goes against me, I will end up in profits only, and good amount of profits. And I'm still holding on to my trade right now. And if the price of Ethereum continues to dump, then obviously my new take profit levels will get unlocked, because for now my next take profit is somewhat over here, $2,140. And after that I have my next take profit somewhat over here at $2,120 approx, because this whole zone is very crucial, and that is why I'm playing around this zone only for now. And as I said that Bitcoin can see a pump towards the upside, same can happen with Ethereum also, because as you can see, the price of Ethereum has done a breakdown of this important zone. And whenever there is a breakdown or a breakout of a zone, the price tends to retest and then continues to dump, or whatever can happen after a retest. It can reverse also, but retest happens most of the time. So there are very high chances that when Bitcoin price is pumping, the Ethereum's price can also pump for a retest at this level. In the end, talking about Solana, so I hope you all remember I entered in a long position over here on Solana, and obviously it was a very risky trade. I still ended up in break even only, and not much profit, not much loss. And after that we have seen the price of Solana dumping towards the downside. And to be quite honest, I did not enter in a long position. Why? If you are watching my previous videos on crypto, you already know I mentioned it that I will personally enter in a long position in Solana if the price of Sol dumps below this level, and it looks like a fake out to me. And if I get some sort of convictions, extra convictions, then only I will enter in a long position on Solana. But when this dump happened, and on the next day you can see we have seen a retest also, so this confirmed to me that there are very high chances that the price of Solana can continue to dump from here rather than pump. And I was already in a short trade on Ethereum. That is why I did not went long over here, because obviously it is very risky to go long. and I already went long one time going against the trend, and this time also I already decided that I will not enter in a long position until and unless I get some strong convictions. But yeah, as of now I'm not taking any trade in Solana because the price of Sol right now is in middle of nowhere, as you can see over here. So there is one important level for Solana over here from $85 to $81, and the next important level is already obviously this important level, $119 to $124 approx. So let's see where the price of Solana will go. Most probably it will follow the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum only. So yeah, right now I'm not taking any trade in Solana. And also guys, one more thing I want to remind you is that none of this is any financial advice. I'm not giving any trading signals over here. I'm just sharing my own personal analysis and my personal trades. You can just learn from these videos with a educational purpose, but I would recommend you guys to not copy trade me or anyone else. Learn trading on your own and do your own trading. And yeah, that's pretty much it. What do you guys think? Will the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum pump from here, or will go below $70,000 mark? Do comment down below. And if you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana, you can do that on Bybit. Link of Bybit is in the description below. It is a centralized exchange. If you want to use it, you can, or else you can just use Hyperliquid. It is a decentralized exchange. Link of that is also in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time.